Hello, friends of TELE. I'm Dan. This is Spencer.
Hello.
And together we're going to introduce you to our brand new voltage monitor relay, our E1YM480 phase loss and voltage band monitoring relay. And Spencer, our technical sales rep here, will show us exactly how to wire it up and what to be aware of. So let's have a peek inside this demo box, which you can also request from us any second. And Spencer, there it is.
Oh.
What do you think so far?
So compact, can do so much.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Well,
let's get it going.
Let's get it going. Now let's unbox our voltage monitoring relay E1YM480. As you can see, it comes with a handy instruction manual that has all electrical data handy. Now the first step would be mounting the voltage band monitor on the DIN rail. Once you have it installed on a DIN rail, you connect 3 phases to the product, and the terminals would be L1, L2, and L3. And so once those 3 phases are connected properly, you can actually start connecting the output relay. So this would present your alarm relay, where you feed in whatever you want the alarm relay to output on 15, and then terminal 16 would be your regular off status relay. So once everything is installed and in place, we start monitoring immediately once everything is powered on. In this case, we see the minimum LED going on right away on our device because we only have 120 volts applied to that monitoring range of 480 volts. Now, just to give you a little idea of how the product features work, the top dial gives you the option to set a tripping delay for up to 10 seconds, and the 2 dials below give you the option to adjust that voltage threshold window. If for whatever reason the operator sets the minimum threshold higher than the maximum threshold, as you can see, our relay will indicate there is a faulty monitoring setting on there, which would not make any sense because the maximum threshold always has to be higher than the minimum threshold. Now, if we set that minimum threshold back to our regular operating voltage, you can see that the LED status gives you the under voltage monitoring alarm already. Now, the bottom dial lets you adjust the monitoring function, so you can choose between under, window, or the optional sequence monitoring features. If you were to now adjust from under voltage monitoring to under voltage monitoring with sequence monitoring, you can see that sequence LED come on the top of the product. And that's how easy it is to set up our E1YM480Y277VS10 voltage band monitor.